Yemen. Yemen is considered as the hottest bed in the world right now. Till some time back, it was it was Palestine, Hamas, and then I believe HTS that was in Syria, and now there is a Taliban. So Taliban story is over. Pakistan Taliban story has started. Then Syria story is over. Now Palestine and Israel combat is going on. But there is another fire. There is another fire that is there is another fire that is burning in Yemen. That is called Houthi rebellion. Houthi rebellion. These rebellion are considered as the Shia group of people. They are trying to capture full northern Yemen. Northern Yemen and southern Yemen, there were two countries. One was Shia kingdom, and another was ruled by Britishers. Now they joined together, they formed Yemen, whereas the southern Yemen capital is Aden and northern Yemen capital is Sana'a. I believe full Sana'a or more or less Sana'a is already captured by the Houthi rebellion. The question is arising that what's going on there? Houthi rebellion, the Yemeni people historically they are considered as the best fighter in the world. In India also, the king they used to hire people from Yemen, soldiers from Yemen to fight in their in their army. That much they have fighting skill. Yemeni soldiers are considered as the best soldier in the world. Okay, I'm not saying Indian soldiers are less best soldier in the world, but somehow they are considered as the best soldier in the world as far as Yemen is concerned. Now Houthi people they want northern Yemen, but what is problem here? This Israel main problem is in United States. United States consider that Houthi people, if they come to the power, then Al Qaeda and Islamic State they will raise their head in the asylum. They will get asylum in the northern Yemen as a country. Once they get asylum, this Al Qaeda and Islamic State, then they will again cause trouble in America. The way they did the World Trade Center collapse, they may do it again. Now America is dropping bomb on the Houthi rebellion so that they would never come up. So that they would never come up. Okay, that is the scenario. In that scenario, the sea that is along the Yemen is called Red Sea. Red Sea bifurcates Africa, Northeast Africa, and the Arabian Peninsula. That is Red Sea. And Djibouti is the country, and Yemen, there is a merely, I believe, 100-kilometer gap is there in the sea. That's it. They are very near to each other, or even less than that. Very near to each other. In that sense, the USA, when USA is supporting Israel as far as Hamas soldiers are concerned, then Israel is supporting USA as far as Houthi soldiers are concerned. Because USA cannot see Houthi taking a country. If Houthis take a country, then these Al Qaeda become they become active again. Now United States and Israel they are together. They have placed army or its navy soldiers along the Red Sea. There is, I believe, there is a ship called Harry. I don't remember the full name. Harry. So Harry, I believe so. That is the name of the ship. Okay, I noted it down. Okay, so there is a ship called Harry S. Truman. Harry S. Truman is a warship on the Red Sea that America has placed. It is a aircraft carrier ship. Means aircraft can land. Means the jet which drop the bomb, they can land. And in one go, it is said that around. It is not mentioned here. 60, 60 fighter jet. They can land in one go, they can take off in one go. That big it is. Harry S. Truman, the naval ship is that big it is. So it's not only that F-18 is a fighter jet that's considered as very big, that can also land on Harry S. Truman that America has placed in the Red Sea, and through which it is attacking on the Yemen, on the Houthi rebellion. They're dropping bomb on them. Now, why this is in news? This is in news that Houthi rebellion first time they started attacking on the Harry S. Truman. And in a press conference, the Houthi rebellions who made a press conference, means kind of official press conference, and they said that they are in a way to destroy this their naval base in Red Sea. They are dropping missile over there. Houthi rebellion are being supported by Iran, okay, indirectly, then they are supported by Russia also. In that fashion, they have very high class missiles, and somehow United States and Israel together they are not able to control their missile, and missile is detonating. Missile bomb is detonating in the navy base in the Red Sea of United States. This is a very pathetic news that is coming as far as Houthi is concerned. They are completely taking care of United States in Red Sea. One thing. Second thing is Houthi through drone attack. They are attacking on Tel Aviv, that is capital of Israel. Where is Yemen? Where is Israel? It is far away. Full Saudi Arabia is in between. I believe more than 1,000 kilometers. And then Israel comes there through drone. They are attacking on the Tel Aviv. Okay, now it is considered that for United States and Israel, there are not only that this Houthi rebellion, who has to nothing to do with the Gaza and Palestine Hamas soldiers. Now they are assisting Hamas also against the Israel. Their benefit is they are local to that reason. Now problem with the United States and Israel is that now they are fighting with two different enemies in one go. One is three different enemies. One is Hamas, one is Iran, and one is Houthi. At that one moment only, they are fighting with the three different enemies. It is same situation as Germany case in World War II. Germany soldiers they were fighting, trying to enter into United Kingdom. Same time they entered into Russia. They went in Siberia, and the same time they were trying to tackle the kind of France. Same time. If that was the case at the end, Germany lost the battle in this case only. You can try only one direction, not in the three directions. Same thing Israel is doing more or less, or America. Hamas fighters they are trying to control. Iran they are trying to control, and Houthi they are trying to control. Problem is that any war you cannot win with the air force. This is the culture of war. Any war you cannot win with the air force. Any war you cannot win with the navy. War can be won only through the ground force army. That is the rule of war. Through dropping bomb and from sea firing missile, you cannot win the war. If you want to control Houthi, you have to descend, you have to drop your army soldiers on the Yemen, on the soil of soldier Yemen. Then only you can win. That is not possible. In current scenario, the way Houthis are controlling the region, now it is not possible. Not only that, the British, now Britain is also into the picture. The British espionage, it is called espionage, British and Saudi Arabia. The Israel, Saudi Arabia, Britain, and America. These four are combined together. Now, British spy and United Arab, Saudi Arabia spy, they are caught in Sana somehow. They were doing espionage, they were spying, and many spies have been caught by Houthis. Now, why this is in news that if Houthi continues like this, if Houthi take over the America, Houthi they don't want to support Hamas. Neither they have to do anything with the Iran. They are supporting for their beneficiaries only. Now Houthi is supporting Hamas because of United States ship in the Red Sea. That's why they are supporting. If this continues like this and Houthi take over Yemen and they defeat America, then there's going to be big problem for the America. Big problem for the America. In a sense, first of all, certainly they are going to capture Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is known, never it is known for very powerful army. Saudi Arabia is a desert country in recent 100 years, 1938 onward, there is a wild out there and that's how population is there. Otherwise, Saudi Arabia, whatever, Makkah, Medina was anyway always populated in the past also. Whatever, Saudi Arabia is not known for very powerful soldiers, never. But Yemen is always known, northern Yemen especially, always known for very powerful soldiers, very powerful. And if they really become powerful, the way it is going on, if they really become powerful, then it is considered that they will take over the Arabic Peninsula. Arabic Peninsula in the sense that full Yemen, Oman, UAE, that is anyway very tiny country, then kind of Qatar, but they are again very tiny. Main is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia and then Palestine, and then they would move forward to Egypt also. That is Syria and Lebanon and Jordan, and then Iraq and Turkey. Then this side they can try for the Egypt also. Now every country, maybe today or tomorrow, they will come together, Israel or Palestine or whoever, to drop bomb on Yemeni Houthi soldiers. But whatever it is, the things are not going in much favor to America. I don't know. American president elect is not talking about placing its army in Canada, placing American army in Greenland, placing American army in Panama Canal. Now America is in mood to capture this full region so that America will be more powerful. If it becomes more powerful, then Houthi will anyway they would surrender. This is what America. Houthi is becoming headache for America day by day. Anyway, let's wait and watch. But this is the condition of the Arabic Peninsula right now. Houthis are taking over. If anyone wants to control Houthi, then Navy and Air Force will not work. They have to bring army inside the Yemen. This is what United Arab in Saudi Arabia in 2014 or 2015 time frame they tried once bringing their army inside the Yemen. Egypt always also tried in 1962 bringing its army inside the Yemen. That's how it became democratic Yemen and kingship went away. But now it is not easy. The way Houthis are growing, it is not easy. Let's wait and watch how it goes upon. But it is if Yemen is considered as part of Indian subcontinent. If inside a subcontinent, if there are so many fires, one fire, hidden fire that people they are not knowing is going on in Bangladesh, very big fire. Now the kind of Khalida Zia used to be Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Now she is in, I believe she is in London for medical treatment. Khalida Zia. So there also problem is there. Burma problem is there. Eastward anyway it is communist, and then Pakistan war is going on. Afghanistan Taliban, Sri Lanka condition everyone knows. Syria condition everyone knows. If burning continues in Yemen also, then this fire can propagate, can catch up in India also. Then it is going to be. I don't know what would happen. Let's let let's wait and watch.